I'm Richard Eisfeller. Most people know me as Ice Rock Drywall. I'm a drywall contractor, and I'm going to be introducing this drywall finishing station from Advanced Tools. I've used it for almost a year now. I can't work without it now. I actually have two of them. The other station I used to use was basically a tote on a table. And the table could fall over, it could unfold on you and make a mess. This is very stable. There's a couple pins that you pull and pop to open it up and lock it together. Drywall finishing station is very compact. It fits really tight together for transportation and for loading it into the job site. Sometimes what I do is I open it up right in the parking lot, load all my tools, and just wheel it right into the job. So this is the drywall finishing station tote. That is basically a toolbox and a wash station. So it sits in your vehicle with all your tools in it, and you bring it into the job site one trip. When you're done for the day, there's not much cleaning. All your tools go in the water and you walk away. And you start off the job the next day and you go to work. While you're working through the job, you're washing your tools, keeping yourself clean. It rolls on wheels, and it's got 4 locking wheels. This is the nest for the box and knives. When the nest is facing outwards, it's used to fill your box. It's adjustable. If you're on your stilts, you can move this bracket up and down. Also, with this knob, you can undo it, face it the opposite direction, so facing towards the sink, and you can use it to hold your knives and have the water drain off your knives into the sink. The drywall finishing station here has a nest for a bucket, which you can use to load mud out of the bucket into a tool. You don't have to stack your buckets on the floor somewhere. When you start using it and find out all the benefits, because you can't really go over all the benefits this thing has until you start using it, but it's a must tool for all drywall finishers.